this video, we're going to show you how to cut and crimp pecs. Let's do this.
Hey guys, I'm Karsten.
And I'm Clayton, and we are the Plumbing Gurus. Thanks for tuning into our channel.
And on this channel, we're going to be teaching you all the proper plumbing practices and saving you money.
Alright everyone, last video's guru question was, what was your first brand of cordless power tool? And in this video, the guru question is, what is your favorite brand of cordless power tool? Please comment below. We'd love to hear what you guys like to use out there. If you're a homeowner or if you're a tradesman out in the field working, we just love to hear some feedback.
Yeah, we'd love to hear it. Thanks, Clayton. I know ours is Milwaukee, and you'll get to know that because everything we own is pretty much Milwaukee. Got a Milwaukee case, got Milwaukee cutters, lots of Milwaukee stuff. So, in this video, we had said we're going to teach you how to cut and crimp some pecs, so we're going to do it. So the tools we're going to need a piece of pecs, just a little dummy piece, some crimpers, they open like that, pliers to pinch the crimp ring, we got our cutters, so we're going to get into showing you how to do this. We're going to open up our cutters. First thing we're going to do is cut the pecs. So when you cut pecs, you want to make sure that it's square. This is not square. You got to make sure it's nice and square for a clean cut. So when you cut the pipe, my cutters are a bit dull, so I'm going to actually have to spin the pipe and the cutters as I cut. If you have nice brand new cutters, you just pinch it, you just cut them, super easy. So then we're going to take the crimp ring, we're going to slide it over top of the pecs. So as you can see here, the ring is super loose on the pecs. So we're going to want that to stop. We're going to stop that from happening. So we're going to put the fitting onto the pecs. We're going to put the crimp ring at the end, not like that, not like that, but we're going to want to leave just about 1/8 of an inch of meat of the pecs showing. So then what we'll do is we'll take these pliers, we'll just ever so gently just pinch it. If you pinch it, the ring no longer moves. So then you know for sure when you go to crimp it, it's not going to slip on you and you're going to have a wrong crimp and have to redo it. So then we're going to take the crimpers, we're going to open them up. We're going to put the crimp ring in there. So when you crimp it, you want to make sure your crimp ring is nice and center on the crimpers themselves. We're going to close the crimpers and then we grab them with both hands and just pinch them nice and hard. When you hear that click, you know you've done a good crimp. We have a nice square crimp, fittings all the way in, still got some meat showing. That's a nice crimp. Hope you enjoyed how to cut and crimp some pecs.
Alright everyone, thanks a lot for watching our video. We appreciate that. Thanks a lot for all the subscribers we have. It helps us to keep motivated to create more videos just like this one to keep you guys all informed in some of the right plumbing practices that we like to use. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, and like below. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thanks Clayton. And like Clayton said, we really do appreciate you guys watching. It helps to support us to keep doing what we're doing. So as usual, from this video, whatever tools we had used, we will leave in the link in the description below. We do realize the crimpers are actually a pretty expensive tool. Maybe you're not going to use them all the time, so if it's not something you want to purchase, you can actually rent them at a Home Depot or Lowe's or whatever hardware store you have in your local town or city. Again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button.
That's right.
See you in the next one.
See you in the next one, guys.